Hey, Uncle Ernie, tell us about it. The Maytag washing machine, the family's Maytag washing machine.
Well, all right. In 1967, my father and mother brought this up to Montana here, and it's been sitting for a long time, and I've got it back in service. So I'm going to show how it operates. And it was built somewhere between 1919 and 1935. So it's somewhere around 100 years old. But she does work, and we'll show that how that goes. So from this point, we've already filled the water up. I use this tank over here to get the heat from the sun to warm the water up, and I hook it up to the drain. And now we've already got the tub full of water, and I'll shut the water off to it and lift up the drain. So here goes. Shut the water off and disconnect. We'll use that too. And now we're ready to show the inside. Here's the agitator, and we're going to do a load of laundry. So now let's get this old thing running. Lift up the little, turn on the little fuel valve. Here's the kick starter. See what she does.
It's a hit and miss motor.
This is the agitator control.